Hello everyone, this is Dmitry from Galileosky, and today we will continue exploring the features of the updated remote configuration service. In the main window, you can sort the trackers in the list of devices by the main parameters in the table, such as a firmware version or the last communication date. However, if your fleet of vehicles is quite large, you may need more flexible filtering. At the top of the window, there is the Add Filters button. The filter tool will help you to set your trackers in a more flexible way. For example, it is easier now to find all trackers of the certain model. Select the model from the list and click the Apply button at the bottom of the window. You can also find trackers with a specific firmware version, with the firmware higher or lower than the certain version, or trackers with any firmware that is not the one specified in the filter. The filter can sort out trackers that are currently updating firmware or have problems during the update process. Another useful filter type is device ownership. You can find all your trackers or devices that have access to them granted by other users. The last available filter is communication date. You can find trackers that communicated before or after a specified date or communicated within a specified time frame. If necessary, you can combine filter conditions or clear all filters. Please note that now you can export the complete list of your trackers or the list of devices from a selected group to a CSV file. You can also export the filtered list of trackers. You can use a search box at the top left of the screen to find a specific tracker by IMEI or by name. In addition to remote access to trackers themselves, up to 20 MB of cloud storage is available on the Files tab. The storage can be used to keep algorithms, configuration files, user manuals, and so on. The Files tab allows you to browse the storage, upload and download files, create folders, and so on. Please note that you should not upload algorithms to the file storage through the Files tab. The point is that algorithm files uploaded this way will not be available for uploading to devices with the script command. Algorithms must be uploaded to your account through the Easy Logic tab. There is a scale showing how full the storage is in the upper right corner of the Files tab. As I said before, some features of the remote configuration service are already available in the web version. You now see the link to them on the screen. So let's take another look at the web interface. Available features are divided into three main groups. Device Management repeat all devices tab from the configurator software. This means that now you can manage devices on your account, send commands, update firmware or upload algorithms directly from the browser window. In fact, this is the first step toward a cross-platform remote configuration system. We will continue to move in this direction. Stay tuned for updates. However, if you try to access a specific tracker's settings, you still need a configurator software. The features of this page are the same as on the Files tab in Configurator. We can also upload, download, and delete files using the controls in this window. The button in the Personal Area field will take you to the web interface of the client's personal account. You can also access this page from the configurator. To do this, you need to click on the icon with the little man in the upper right corner of the window and select Client's Account item. We will take a closer look to the client's account features in the last video of this series. That's all for today. That was Dmitry from Galileosky. See you later.